Hey folks, that flash flood watch continues for all of the valley until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Because of the big rain last night, the rain that's falling now, and the potential for more rain to fall tonight into tomorrow. This is radar at the moment. You can see some pretty good stuff moving northward, and everything over the valley is moving to the north right now. So if you go outside and look south and it's dark, that's what's coming your way. If you look north and it's dark, moving away from you. You don't have to worry about that. So if you're down here, let's say in San Juan, you look northward, you see those dark clouds, they're moving away from you. So no issue there. But if you're in Edinburg looking east, they're moving northward too. No issue there. But if you're up in this direction, see that stuff coming up from the south, there's more there. And one of the concerns is with this stuff is it just kind of trains over the same area. That's what happened last night down over here south of McAllen and Mission. So we're going to watch to see if that might happen somewhere. This is the biggest shower on the radar right now, right over San Carlos, just east of Edinburg, between there and Elsa. It is moving to the north, and then you got some pretty good rain up in the northern part of Hidalgo County and western Willacy County, Lasada, Hargill, up toward Lynn, San Manuel. Future Track takes this stuff tonight. It just kind of has it coming and going all night long, and any one of those showers can produce some heavy rainfall. If you get one or two or three of them, then it starts to add up. That's when you start to have problems, and that could continue through the daytime tomorrow. Even though that flood watch ends, at least for now, at 7 a.m., there is still potential for more rain. The next several days, we're kind of in a wet pattern now that favors scattered showers each day. You may not get rained on every day, but there will be rain in the valley someplace every day, and that goes into the end of the week as well, because as soon as the system causing this rain moves out, another system comes in from the tropics that keeps that chance of rain with us. So 60, 40, 50 the next 3 days. Basically any shower can produce some heavy rainfall. Here's the trough that's been slowly working its way down towards South Texas. Upper level winds go around that. That's why the showers over the valley are moving to the north right now. That thing's going to kind of hang out in that general area, drift slowly to the east, but we're going to be on this east side of it. That's the wet side of a trough like this. So the rain chances stay with us until that thing disappears from the map. And it starts to disappear on Wednesday into Thursday, but then this tropical wave comes into the Gulf of Mexico. Hurricane Center's watching that one, because that could be a rainmaker for parts of the Texas coast as well, and certainly we would be in the running for that. Here's what Future Track predicts rainfall-wise. This is the European model, and just kind of let the colors build. You watch the timeline. Thursday, Friday, we'll keep going. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. By the time this is all over with, middle of next week, 4 to 6 inches over all of South Texas. That's what it's suggesting. So this pattern is one that very definitely favors some pretty significant rainfall. Here's the next system. Hurricane Center will update this in a little while, but a 50% chance of that becoming a tropical entity, perhaps a depression or tropical storm, as it gets into the western Gulf of Mexico. So that is what we're watching for our next shot at rain. And of course, we're also watching everything in the Atlantic. 3 hurricanes. Florence, the most significant storm, 140-mile-per-hour winds. This will be a major storm somewhere on the Carolina coast by the end of the week. This is going to be a major hurricane. Category 4, perhaps even a Category 5 at landfall. Boy, I tell you what, this is going to bring not only wind, but rain and storm surge, and the rain may be the biggest problem because it may sit there for a couple of days. Harvey-esque, if you will, for the folks in the Carolinas. Isaac, Helene, both out in the Atlantic. Helene's going to turn to the north. Isaac goes straight westward as a hurricane, but then once it gets into the Caribbean, begins to weaken a little bit, and a lot of the models turn it northward eventually. We'll watch it nonetheless as it works its way into the Caribbean down through Hurricane Alley. In the Bay, winds out of the east to 10 to 15 knots. There are 3 tides for tomorrow. You see that the sea's only running about 1 to 2 feet. So tonight, that flash flood watch remains in effect until 7 a.m. Showers, thunderstorms likely. Maybe not everybody gets rained on, but if you do, it could be quite heavy. Tomorrow, same kind of thing. 60% chance for storms. Heavier rains again a possibility. With the clouds and showers, temperatures stay down below normal. Wednesday, Thursday, we don't see things changing very much. That first disturbance goes away, but then the tropical moisture pushes in. So we keep that chance of rain in all the way into the weekend, all the way into the early part of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.